First guy today is this fuzzy white fungus. It may look saprobic on this log, but I have a hunch that this fungus is getting its nutrients from this nearby brown mushroom with squiggly lines. We can see this relationship more clearly with these shell fungi. The white fungi reminds me of the hypomycetes fungi that parasitizes boletes, and we have some yellow slime mold, a little camera shy. Speaking of slime mold, we have some young ghost smoke. They look just like Dippin' Dots. The snow fungus is a plastic-looking jelly fungus that emerges after the rain and grows on logs. The bitter bolete forms a mycorrhizal relationship with conifers, which you can clearly see growing right at the roots of this tree. My ID apps and myself don't know what this thing is, possibly a dried up slime mold. The mustard yellow polypore is a saprobic shell fungus that causes white rot of the sapwood. Sometimes parasitic on the heartwood, the texture feels like a brick and is somewhat heavy. My ID apps say that these are also mustards, but they look distinctly different from the ones I know of. The cap is definitely more mustard color and the pore surface is chocolate brown. You know, this looks like chicken in the woods, but it's lacking the yellow outer margin. I don't know, it's very pretty. And I can't tell if this is also a C of the W or part of another species. These are oysterling mushrooms growing on this fallen log. They're kind of squishy, rubbery, and very wet from the rain. I have two ideas of what this is, a species of Marasmiellus or Campanella. Both genuses are closely related. Look at this little guy, and look at this little round dude. Just like my previous videos, I suck at identifying these things, and I forgot to look at the underside. I just can't tell the difference between a Microporus, a turkey tail, and a false turkey tail. I thought this was strange. Moss growing on top of a mushroom. This one's my favorite. It's hard to identify a mushroom this immature. I saved the best for last. You ready? These are fairy ink caps, and there's so many. Immature ink caps are white that transitions to gray, then black. These extraordinary mushrooms delinquus thus only appear for a couple of hours. These mushrooms start out white, then pinken until purple as they age. It's probably forming a mycorrhizal relationship with this monkey pod tree. This orange mushroom looks like a creme brulee, does it not?